Hi, and welcome to this video feature titled Vision 2030 Jamaica and Youth.
This video focuses on the importance of youth to Jamaica's development and their role in making Vision 2030 Jamaica and the Sustainable Development Goals a reality.
The implementation of Vision 2030 Jamaica National Development Plan commenced in 2009 with an aim to achieve 4 national goals and 50 national outcomes. The 4 goals are: Jamaicans are empowered to achieve their fullest potential. The Jamaican society is secure, cohesive, and just. Jamaica's economy is prosperous. Jamaica has a healthy natural environment.
Vision 2030 Jamaica aims to guarantee that young people are given the tools, protection, and opportunities they need to fully exercise their social, cultural, and human rights, as well as achieve their physical, social, and economic goals.
Vision 2030 Jamaica is policy-driven. The implementation of youth development strategies and actions is driven by the National Youth Policy and supporting policies.
The plan is about engaging youth as agents of change in making Jamaica the place of choice to live, work, raise families, and do business. The Vision 2030 Jamaica Localization Program gives focus to inclusive development and equipping key groups, such as the youth, to drive national development as innovators and cultural catalysts.
Under Vision 2030 Jamaica, to ensure that youth are fully empowered, protected, and enabled to fully realize their social, cultural, and human rights and fulfill their physical, economic, and social goals, the following approaches to development, otherwise called sector strategies, are being pursued.
Jamaica is strengthening national capacity and systems for coordinated youth development action across the island, increasing inclusive access to youth development services and opportunities, particularly for the vulnerable, enhancing the capacity of youth to engage in self-directed leadership and governance within youth-led organizations, promoting youth engagement and leadership in policy, advocacy, and programming in support of youth and broader national development.
How can youth champion the implementation of Vision 2030 Jamaica? Anyone?
We have the energy, enthusiasm, and the discipline to turn dreams into reality.
Yes, that is true. Anyone else?
Yes, we can raise issues affecting the younger population to key decision makers and fellow Jamaicans so that we can develop targeted policies and programs for youth development.
Great. Anyone else?
We are also the ideal drivers of Vision 2030 Jamaica, the Sustainable Development Goals and beyond, as we the youths have the capacity to give decades of service to national development.
Indeed.
As youths, we have the ability to learn quickly and adapt to a changing environment.
That is correct. In addition, we're also action and results oriented.
Correct. And so yes, that is why we call on all youths to be the future of Jamaica,
Where we are all empowered to achieve our fullest potential in a society that is secure and safe, with economic prosperity and a sustainable and resilient environment.
One love, one heart, one Jamaica.
Youth are already contributing to Vision 2030 Jamaica and what lies beyond.
They contribute to the development of the medium-term socio-economic policy framework, which is the main mechanism for implementing Vision 2030 Jamaica.
They are decision makers, mediators, educators, innovators, job creators, and part of an increasing globalized workforce.
They sound their voices and share their vision in various social media campaigns and at youth workshops. And they participate in school and community improvement projects, among other community-based development activities.
As a Jamaican youth,
I will not harm my fellow citizens.
I will not steal lives or property.
I will not choose to be anything but a beacon of hope for the promise of a better future.
I will play my part in making Jamaica the place of choice to
live, work, raise families, and do business.